Good day mga kanowers! I'm Maribel Araneta, aka MLA. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the button bell para lagi kayong updated sa next video ko. Today's video we will discuss about the solid of revolution, which is the Washram method, the application of integral. Solid of revolution, the Washram method. So what is solid of revolution? It is a solid generated does not border on or across the axis, so the washer is created. So as you can see, they use sign the bigger or big letter R than X. That is called outer radius, and the small letter r than x is called inner radius. So as you can see in the illustration here, this is the y-axis and x-axis. They are across. So here, this is the washer and this is the outer radius and the inner radius. So now so in parallel to x-axis rotated on the x-axis, this is the formula that we use. V is equal to pi integration from a to b times outer radius squared minus inner radius squared times dx. And parallel to y-axis, we use this formula. V is equal to pi integration from c to d times outer radius squared minus inner radius squared times dy. So in example number 1, find the volume of the solid bounded by y is equal to x squared and x is equal to y squared rotated about the x-axis. So if you'd say rotated about the x-axis, we use the formula rotated about the axis. So this y is equal to x squared, x is equal to y squared. So y squared is equal to x, and square root of y squared is equal to square root of x. Y is equal to square root of x. So in x squared is equal to square root of x. 0 squared is equal to square root of 0. X is equal to 0. X squared is equal to square root of x. 1 squared is equal to square root of 1. And the answer is x is equal to 1. So in example number 1, because they are rotated about the x-axis, so we use the formula of parallel to x-axis. So this v is equal to pi integration from a to b outer radius squared minus inner radius squared times dx. So this is the solution. V is equal to pi integration from 0 to 1 times square root of x squared minus x squared to the power of 2 times dx. So v is equal to pi integration from 0 to 1 x minus x to the power of 4 times dx. V is equal to pi times x squared divided by 2 minus x to the power of 5 divided by 5 integration from 0 to 1. V is equal to pi times 1 squared divided by 2 minus 1 to the power of 5 divided by 5 times negative 0. Then v is equal to square root. V is equal to pi times 1/2 divided minus 1/5, and the answer is v is equal to 3 pi divided by 10, because 5 times 3 equals 10. So another example number 2. Find the volume of the region bounded by the functions y is equal to x and y is equal to x cubed from x equals 0 to 1. So this we will use again the parallel to x axis. So v is equal to pi integration from a to b times outer radius squared minus inner radius squared times dx. So v is equal to pi integration from 0 to 1 open bracket x squared minus x cubed squared close bracket dx. V is equal to integration from 0 to 1 times x squared minus x to the power of 6 times dx. V is equal to open bracket x cubed divided by 3 minus x to the power of 7 minus divided by 7 integration from 0 to 1. V is equal to pi open bracket then 1 cubed divided by 3 minus 1 to the power of 7 divided by 7 minus 0 minus 0 and close bracket, and the answer is V is equal to 4 pi divided by 21. So we come up this 21 because 7 times 3 equals 21. So another example number 3. Find the volume of the solid bounded by y is equal to x squared and y is equal to 4x minus x squared rotated about the x-axis. So in this formula, we use again the x-axis formula. V is equal to pi integration from a to b times outer radius squared minus inner radius squared times dx. So v is equal to pi integration from 0 to 2 open bracket 4x minus x squared to the power of 2 minus x squared to the power of 2 close bracket times dx. V is equal to pi integration from 0 to 2 times 16x squared minus 8x cubed plus x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 times dx. So v is equal to pi integration from 0 to 2 times 16x squared minus 8x cubed times dx. V is equal to pi open bracket 16x cubed minus 3 minus 2x to the power of 4 close bracket from 0 to 2. So v is equal to pi times 16 times 2 cubed divided by 3 minus 2 times 2 to the power of 4 times negative 0. So times 128 minus 96 divided by 3, and the answer is V, or volume, is equal to 32 pi divided by 3. So that is the answer of our example number 3, which is to find the volume of a solid bounded by y is equal to x squared and y is equal to 4x minus x squared rotated about the x-axis. So we come up this 32 pi over 3. So thank you for listening again, mga kanowers, and God bless.